The two superstars of Phantom are all set to reload Jhalak this week. So let's see what they've got to tell us. Hi guys. So Jhalak Reloaded had a lot of fun. What do you want to say?
It was great. Very entertaining show also. And a lot of talent on stage. It's quite amazing how these guys dance.
Okay. Katrina, what do you want to say?
Too much fun. Anywhere where Karan is going to be is always going to be fun. And then of course you have Manish, who's one of my favorite, hosts. He's got so much fun and so much love to give everybody. And Shahid, it was really nice to interact with him. I've not really had a chance, funny enough, but it was a lot of fun. Ganeshji's there, who's one of the most amazing choreographers in our industry. And then you have all the amazing contestants. And of course we had a cricket game, which is my biggest love, so I was super excited to do that. There was a little cheating which happened, which was unfortunate. Saif was on the opposite team. Saif kind of, his team won, my team didn't. That was the only thing which I was a little upset about.
I think the host, Manish, funny and lovely as he is, was completely biased towards Katrina. He's cheating. He's cheating.
It's called being a sword.
Terrible.
Okay, you danced on your favorite number.
No, he danced on my favorite number. I love that song. We all say you have to dance. No, Ole Ole.
Oh, I thought Chicken
Ole Ole is one of my all-time favorite songs. So we said, Saif, you are not leaving without dancing. So he taught us the steps also very nicely.
Since Independence Day is round the corner and Jhalak this week is made in India, what do you want to tell your audience about Independence Day?
Independence is a privilege, I think it's something that when we look at our history also has not come easily. People have given their lives, people have worked really hard, our freedom fighters. And if you look at some parts of the world, they're not free. And freedom is a huge thing. I'm really proud that we're the biggest democracy in the world. And even though sometimes it seems chaotic, it's because it's free and everybody's opinion is listened to, which I think is the most beautiful thing. And it's something that we should treasure and be proud of and remember what the people who gave their lives would have wanted for this country, and I think be responsible to that.
I think it was really special for Jhalak to do an episode for Independence Day and to put so much thought behind each performance, or almost every other performance, kind of trying to give their interpretation of the message of freedom. And I think everyone really portrayed that well, and you could see everyone who had put their heart into it, especially Vivian when he did his performance. He was really feeling the emotion, and I think that that everyone was very happy and inspired with this topic, and I think it was very nice of Jhalak to specially dedicate this episode to that.